Hello everyone. Today in this video, we will learn how to find out total value of batch stock items in inventory using SAP transaction code MB5B. In my previous video, we have learned how to find out total value of batch stock items in inventory using SAP transaction code MB52. But in this video, we will learn using MB5B and MM60. We can also export the report into spreadsheet, and in order to get the total value using MB5B, we have to use another transaction code, which is MM60, and an Excel formula VLOOKUP. As you can see, this is the display of MB5B. We can give material number, and then we can give any particular date. We have to select storage location / batch stock and only materials handled in batches. We have to check this block. The difference between MB5B and MB52 is MB52 gives us real-time data and stock valuation is also available. But MB5B gives us data for a particular date, but if we select the storage location and batch stock option with only materials handled in batches, then it will not give us stock valuation. As you can see the layout of MB5B, we cannot see the stock valuation option here. We can only see the closing stock. So for valuating the stock in our inventory, we have to use another T code, which is MM60. This is the screen for MM60. I have made a separate video on MM60. I will give its link into the description as well. In MM60, we have to write all the materials number, or we can do is we can select the checkbox and we can transfer all the materials which we have selected by using Shift F12 shortcut key. All the materials will come into this column and then we can execute the report. And once the report is generated, we can export it into spreadsheet. Now assume this is the display of MM60. This is the report that we have extracted from MM60. And this is the report from MB5B. Now to get the total value, we need value per unit, which we have got from MM60. But to get the total value, we have to multiply quantity with value per unit in the table which we have extracted from MB5B. So here we are going to use VLOOKUP formula. We are going to write into the cell is equals to VLOOKUP. Then we are going to select the cell for which we want the information from another table. Like in this, we have selected material A1 here. Then we are going to go on to the next table, that is which we extracted from MM60. And we are going to select the whole table. And we are going to lock this table by using $sign or say Shift 4. We are going to press this button and we are going to lock those cells. And then we are going to go to the column number from which we require the information. Like in this table, we want the value from the third column. We want per unit value. Therefore, we have written here as 3. And then we are going to press and write false. And then we are going to close the bracket. And then we are going to copy paste the formula in all the rows below. One thing important in using VLOOKUP formula is that whichever cell you have used in the first, then in the next table, it should also appear in the first. Like here, you want the information for material, then in the another table, it should also come into the first column. Then only it will be able to give you the value, the information that you want from another table. And now we can simply multiply quantity into value per unit and can get total value of all the stock items in inventory. So in this way, we can use MB5B and MM60 for calculating total value. Remember, we can use MB5B for particular date. But if we want a real-time data, then MB52 is a better option as it will give you total value and other information relevant to us. That's it guys from my side. I hope you liked this video. Kindly like, share and comment and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.